Hello everyone. In this video we are going to talk about the other three phases. In the second phase, focus is on two buttons situated on the left-hand side, which are Data View and Model View. These buttons align with the second phase of your Power BI project, known as the Data Modeling phase. During this phase, you'll be involved in tasks such as establishing relationships. This entails connecting various data sources together, facilitating a unified approach. This hierarchical structure lets you delve deeper into your data. Within the data model, you'll encounter DAX calculations, which rely on the data analysis expression language. This language comes into play when you need to create additional metrics through DAX expressions. Phase 3 is located in the top left corner, just above the two previous buttons. This phase is known as the report view, where you engage in data visualization tasks such as creating reports and exploring custom visuals. In the fourth and final phase, you enter the sharing phase by clicking the Publish button. After publishing your solution, you share it on Microsoft's cloud, known as the Power BI service. From there, you can easily collaborate with others to ensure your data remains current, with scheduled data refreshes, and implement row-level security. Row-level security is essential as it allows you to control what data each user can access, ensuring data relevance and privacy. This security feature is configured both in the desktop tool and the service. In the next video, we will explain how to import data in Power BI. Thanks for watching.